This is why we wear synthetic wigs. They come like this. They come with the color. They come with the curls. They come with all the stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, that feels so good to say that. Y'all don't understand how happy saying that, what it does to me. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, we are reviewing this wig from Sensationnel. This wig is so cute. Add her to the cart before she sells out. I don't know. She might. I don't know. One time I said wigs on sell out. I never did. But y'all just be sleeping on the wigs. This wig is from Sensationnel. It's a Y-part Kinky Roller Set number 10. I'm going to give you some specs. I'm going to show you how I put it on. How I customized it just a little bit for me. And I'm also going to show you in this video kind of how to tone down the color of your wig if you get a wig and you know, you don't like the color too much. I didn't do too much. But anyway, stay tuned. If you like content like this, make sure you subscribe so you can come back. Come back. I disappear and I come back, but I'm still here. So give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let's jump. So my wig installs, I always start off with my hair nice and flat. Today I'm showing you a very beginner friendly wig. This is the Y-part Kinky Roller Set 10 inches wig from Sensationnel, and I have the color Balayage Sunskissed. That's that Y-part lace in the front, that nice natural kinky edges in the front, and I really like the curls on this. So you're gonna get your two combs and one in the back and an elastic band. I also put a wig cap on, but that's just my personal preference.
12 seconds later.
Let me see. So cute. Let me see. You forgot to tell them what?
Dad put happy faces on it.
Oh.
I thought they knew because I told them I wanted happy face, but it's fine. Nobody will.
I hope it doesn't come
It's so
off.
big. Look at you. You slim down. Kata
So big.
Haven't seen you since COVID, huh? Oh, do you really think you ain't all this shit?
Yep, I had to give y'all a piece of my reality, y'all. Somebody's always in the background. Anyway, back to this wig. The cap felt okay, but I think that's just because my hair is flat. These Y-part or standard lace part wigs, keep in mind that it's going to be a little bit more snug, but it wasn't too bad. At first, I thought I was seeing like a line of demarcation, but it seemed like that was just the wig cap. It was looking really good, y'all. So initially, I thought I wanted to glue this wig down. That's just the adhesive that I chose to use, but you can use whatever you like. But after I cut the lace, do you see the wig? She was looking lovely. Like, I really wanted to stop here. She was glueless, and y'all know how I feel about glueless. So I was like, you know what, let me just leave it here, and I didn't use the adhesive. I definitely do recommend going in with your synthetic wig products. I used that Garnier Fruit Tea Serum, and she was coming together really nice. I was debating if I wanted to like color this wig and make this like a how to tint your synthetic wig video, but I just played with the side there. I don't even know what was the purpose of me doing that. I was just trying to show y'all how to like tone down the color on your wig, but I don't know. I think I forgot I was supposed to do the other side. I went in with my hot comb to make it look more natural and realistic, and I was absolutely feeling myself with this wig. With the heat, don't go in too high. I went in like about 5 or 10, you know, because you could melt this wig. This is synthetic. A little bit of powder in the parting space to brighten up that part, and y'all see the difference of the tint. Like, you could totally tint now your wig. Somebody asked me, like, how do you bleach or color your synthetic wigs? You can't. You have to use, like, some kind of tint. So that's what I was doing there. I think I just need to make, like, a different video. If you guys want to see that, leave it in the comments. But you see what was happening here? Like, you could totally use some kind of tint or, like, colored hairspray to tone your wig. Anyway, let's talk about it. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and talk about this beautiful, beginner-friendly wig. This wig was so easy to install. Guys, I am really impressed with this wig. I didn't know how I would feel about it, but you know what? I don't know why I was feeling the way I was feeling, because the stock card is really pretty. It looked a little bit bulky to me initially. Let me give you some specs. Y'all, I forgot what to do. So this wig is from Sensationnel. This is from the my washer is on. Sorry guys, I try to get it real nice and quiet in here for you guys. I don't know how the lighting looks. I think that's better. Let's go with that. So this wig is from Sensational, okay? It's another wide part wig. I'm giving you guys another wide part wig. I purchased a lot of wigs for you guys to give you more options, and I'm here for it. So this is from the Sensational but wide part texture lace wig. I mentioned before there are 13x6 lace frontals, but this is a wide part. So that means you're very beginner friendly. That means you're going to get a standard lace part with a little bit of extra lace to lay flat, which I like. Initially, I wasn't understanding about the wide part because I was like, just give us a standard lace part. But this wide part, I'm finding you can flatten it here because you have extra lace right here, so you're able to flatten it a little bit more and make it look a little bit more realistic, and you're getting a little bit more lace in the front so you can pluck and tweeze and do whatever you need to do with the wig, because your wig is your life. You're also going to get the kinky edges. Now the kinky edges the girls love. The girls love. I love the kinky edges, and I'm gonna tell you the reason after. Let me give you some more specs. I get all scatterbrain, y'all. I get all scatterbrain. I'm so happy to see y'all. It's so nice to see y'all and be filming. It took a while to get this video together because, you know, if you're specs, focus. The edges on the front, it says it's for curl types 3B to 4C, and I have the wide part Kinky Roller Set 10. Now, I did review a wide part wig before. Let me look up what wide part is. Guys, I'm literally Googling my name, and the video popped up. So this was the Roller Set 16. Every email you send can be... So this, oh, I love that. I love that I just literally Googled my name. If you're looking for a wig, Google the name and videos will pop up. A lot of girlies aren't filming videos anymore, but I'm going to try to change that. I'm going to try to make some videos for y'all because I love my synthetic wigs. I really do. I really do, and I miss them. Anyway, so this is the wide part Roller Set 10. The one that I reviewed before was Roller Set 16. I am noticing that the texture is different on this one, and this is just more like an everyday wig. I have the color Balayage Sunskissed. So basically all I did, y'all, you saw it. I put a little lace tip spray. I didn't even put adhesive. You can if you want, but this is definitely a glueless wig, and y'all know how I feel about glueless. I'm not too fond of it because the wigs be sliding back. They slide back, y'all, but this wig is not really sliding too much. You can go in. I've been meaning to play with this wig cap, like a wig grip to hold it, and that will secure your wig. So I'll leave links below, and I'll probably do it in my next video of like a wig grip. This is a wig grip cap, meaning you don't have to do like the... I'm gonna show y'all another video. Y'all stay tuned for that. You can get different options where you can really wear it glueless. So this looks good. Now, some of your lace will show here. Just match it to your complexion a little bit, but the beauty of these Kinky Edges wigs is that you can pull down these edges and it's gonna blend. It's going to look more realistic, which is what we like. So I did give y'all this Sunkissed balayage color. I did review this balayage color in another Sensational wig. Let's look it up again.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm really loving the fact that I can Google my name. So I did review this wig in the Sensational Butter Unit number 46. That was a Balayage Sunskissed color. That was a kinky curly wig. It was totally different, but it was the same color if you want to see it. So check that video out right here because I give y'all options. But overall, I like this wig. This is what she's looking like in the front. You can play with her and kind of, you know, I think I want to get this wig in a brown and a black because this is definitely an everyday wig. Absolutely. This is what she's looking like. I was debating if I wanted to cut her. I didn't know, but she's cute. I love the way the curls fall. And then the side, this is what she's looking like. And then the back. Okay, so this is what this wig is looking like, and I have no complaints. I absolutely recommend this wig, especially for my beginners. If you don't like this color, keep in mind there are other color options in this wig. It's not going to tangle much. I feel like this is one of those wigs that's going to hold up for a while. These curls are perfect. This is why we wear synthetic wigs. They come like this. They come with the color. They come with the curls. They come with all the stuff. We didn't have to do all of this. And if you're not too happy with all of that, you know, the lace, secure her if you need a little bit more security and you have trust issues. But the wig is perfect the way she comes. Absolutely. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. But Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.